Hey everyone, welcome to Cyber Made Simple, FutureProof. Today we're diving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie: quantum computing. More specifically, we're talking about how quantum computing could be the ultimate encryption buster. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. First off, let's break down what quantum computing actually is. Imagine your regular computer is like a really fast and efficient librarian. It organizes books, finds information, and does it all using ones and zeros, called bits. But a quantum computer, it's like a magical librarian that can read multiple books at once, using something called qubits. These qubits can be both 1 and 0 at the same time, thanks to a concept called superposition. Mind-blowing, right? Quantum computing doesn't stop there. Another key principle is entanglement. When qubits become entangled, the state of one qubit is directly related to the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. It's like having two dice that always show the same number, even if you roll them on opposite sides of the planet. This interconnectedness allows quantum computers to perform incredibly complex calculations at lightning speed. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter for encryption? Well, most of our current encryption methods rely on complex math problems that are super tough for regular computers to solve. This is what keeps our online banking, emails, and personal data safe. But here's the kicker. Quantum computers can solve these tough problems insanely fast, potentially cracking encryption that would take a regular computer thousands of years to break in just a matter of seconds. Let's put this into a relatable scenario. Imagine you have a combination lock with millions of possible combinations. A regular computer would try each combination one by one. A quantum computer, on the other hand, could test all combinations simultaneously, opening the lock almost instantly. That's the power of quantum computing. So what does this mean for our online safety? It means that the encryption methods we rely on today could become obsolete. Hackers with access to quantum computers could potentially decrypt sensitive information, leading to data breaches on a massive scale. Sounds scary, right? But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. Researchers are already working on quantum-resistant encryption methods. These new methods are designed to be secure, even against the power of quantum computers. Think of it as upgrading our locks to ones that even a magical librarian can't pick. You might be thinking, how soon do we need to worry about this? Well, fully functional quantum computers that can crack current encryption aren't here just yet. Experts believe it could still be a decade or more before they become a real threat. But it's always good to be ahead of the curve, right? To give you a sense of how big this is, let's look at RSA encryption, one of the most common encryption methods used today. It's based on the difficulty of factoring large numbers. For example, if I gave you a number that was the product of two very large prime numbers, it would take even the most powerful conventional computers thousands of years to figure out what those two original numbers were. Quantum computers, however, could solve this problem in mere minutes, using an algorithm called Shor's algorithm. Imagine the implications of that. From online banking to confidential government communications, everything encrypted with RSA could be vulnerable. Now let's talk about what you can do to stay safe in the meantime. First, make sure you're using strong, up-to-date encryption methods. This means using services that offer end-to-end encryption and keeping your software updated. Second, keep an eye on developments in quantum computing. It's a rapidly evolving field, and staying informed will help you prepare for any changes. And hey, why not get involved in the conversation? Drop a comment below about what you think of quantum computing. Are you excited about the potential benefits or worried about the security risks? Before we wrap up, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that quantum computers could also revolutionize fields like medicine, artificial intelligence, and climate modeling? It's not all about breaking encryption. There are some incredible positive possibilities too. And speaking of the future, let's touch on some of those potential benefits. In medicine, quantum computers could model complex molecules for drug discovery, leading to cures for diseases that are currently untreatable. In artificial intelligence, they could process and analyze data at speeds we can barely imagine, leading to smarter and more intuitive AI systems. And in climate science, they could simulate and predict environmental changes with unprecedented accuracy, helping us combat climate change more effectively. Alright, that's it for today from us at Cyber Made Simple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more simple explanations of complex cyber topics. And remember, stay curious and stay safe online.